How to fix volume up or volume down button not working on your iPhone. So for that you have to watch this video till the end and dive into the process. So if your iPhone volume up and down button is not working, there are a couple reasons why it may not working. And hopefully by the end of this video you can fix that issue. And also give you a temporary solution if your physical button actually doesn't work because of a hardware issue. So let's get started. So first of all, it comes to your physical button fixing itself. So if you have a case or something, sometimes it's good to just take off your case of your iPhone and you have to see if that works. So without the case of your iPhone, the volume up and volume down button works or not. So on the number second, you have to look if there is any dust around your volume up and down button or not. So if there is any dust or dirt built up around the edges, sometimes you have to clean it off. As well as if you over time see a lot of dust build up in that, it will block the button so you can't press the button itself. So you have to just go for the cleaning and removing case here. So let's go into the some of the setting that you want to take. So if you are still having this issue, first thing is that you have to navigate to your setting here. So once you are on your setting here, you are going to ahead and scroll down and go for your sound here. So once you are on your sound and haptics, so here what you want to just go here and just go for the change width button option. So you have to turn on your change width button, and the reason why, if you are adjusting the volume or the volume down here, you can see that. And the volume button will not affect the volume of the ringtone all out here. You have to simply turn it on. So you can utilize that dot button for that also. So as you can see here. So after that, you have to simply restart your device. You have to long press on your power button and your volume up button at the same time if that your volume button work or not. So that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If nothing works, you have to just go and visit to the Apple Store or repair center to get the hardware repair or replace. Thanks for watching.